What's up, guys? Today we are checking out this heated eye mask, something I have ordered for myself, and you may be wondering why do I need it. Actually, it is good for everyone, but in my specific use case, I need it because I am a software engineer and I my eyes are always under burden, like 8 to 10 hours continuous screen time on computer, and then we all also consume multimedia like Netflix and Crunchyroll. So I mean the eyes are always in stress, even for not for software engineers, others for others as well. And to give we should also take care of our eyes along with like our hairs and face. I mean, we usually focus a lot on other parts but forget about our eyes. So I had a heated mask already, but it kind of stopped working. It's been years, and it that one had a vibrations. Actually, let me get that. So I had this too. Just so you guys know, I am not new to these. As you can see, it's fully damaged. It still works kind of, but it is damaged. I already, this one was a more advanced expensive one. See, I no longer use it. I was just using it, but as you can see, I have like totally used them all, and they are in their bad state. So and the this one they all had advanced features like vibration, compress, heat, and all those features. And the both were micro at that time because it's been years since I bought them. And I thought this was now that they have run out of their life, I needed something new. This time I just wanted to go simple. The reason is that I only liked heat. I never liked the vibration, so it was waste of money to buy that one. That's why I went for it, and I do pay attention to my eyes a lot, especially recently. So there you are. We have this heated eye mask made by Care4, and we have this gel. The previous ones did not have this one, so I'm not sure what it is designed for. We will see what its purpose, but it is cool when I touch it, so maybe it is a cooling gel, not sure. Are these for ears? These probably for ear hooks. We will see. I just ordered it, found it likable, so I'm not familiar with all the accessories, so if I sound stupid, I am stupid. That simply means that. So let's check it out. Alright, so we have a USB type A to this kind of magnetic. Okay, the previous one were chargeable, and the issue with those is that the one with battery are more dangerous and they run sometimes stop working. So this time I intentionally went with the non-battery version. In fact, recently I have started using everything without battery. So it has a 36-year warranty as well. You can activate it, and this is the part where this power cable will go. This is nice. Feels like a premium feeling. So the reason I went with the pink is not because I liked it. It's because it was all on 50% off. So I thought I would go with the pink as well. If I get 50% off, pink is also fine for me. That's why. So it is not intentional, guys. Pink is not my favorite color. We have this pouch as well, but getting 50% off is my favorite. We also have this reviews and ratings and happy. So they have sent some thank you cards and let us know your feedback and things like that. Things like these show you that people care about the manufacturer care about their product. So whenever I see cards like this, I personally feel good about that product. Documentation is here, user guide. So in general, what came out of it was this. We have this, like, remove the patch itself, sorry, the patch itself, mask itself, and it is a breathable fabric and very flexible material, see, and it is extremely lightweight. Like, it is resting on my palm right now, and honestly I barely feel it. So it is extremely lightweight, and design wise it also looks really good. We have, these are stretchable, so even if you have a big head, don't worry about it. We have the magic pad here, of very good quality. This magic pad, there are ones with low quality, I can immediately spot them, but this is of a very good quality one. Overall design wise, I really like it. I just would have preferred to go with another color, but 50% off is better than other color. And I also like that it does not have a battery, because not having the battery makes it weightless, so I can wear it for longer times, and I don't need battery. I can always just plug it into a power bank, which is also a battery. It also has some buttons on its power cable. The issue with this kind of power cable is if it stops working, then you are out of luck. So you can't use simple cables with it. You need to go and buy exact copy. So that's a bummer, but I like its design in this sense, like this. See, this is so satisfying. Just like MagSafe chargers on Apple MacBook or Microsoft Surface laptops. And then we have two buttons. One is for increasing heat, I'm assuming, and one is for increasing timer. We will see how it works by dimming the light. Let's put the pouch as well. Now if I am right, and my assumption is right, if you want to cool your eyes, because cooling is also a good thing, and by the way, I also have a cooling gel pad. Maybe I can show you that as well. So what you usually do is that you put it in fridge for some time and cool it down. It is already cool to touch, but you can put it in the fridge, and then you can probably put it here like this, and then apply it, like wear it on your face. I will wear it by changing the angle of the camera later, but let's first test it out. So, and I'm not sure what the purpose of this is. I mean, why do I need ear hooks? So now what I'm going, let me show you the gel pad I already have. This one, see, I already have it, and it is also really cool at this time. The way I cool it down is that I just put it in front of the, hang it in front of the air conditioner, so air conditioner cools it down automatically. So I also have this. And the reason I am showing you all this is that these are the things I personally use, and it is not some kind of a video that I'm making just to get some views from you. These are the things I personally use, and I am speaking from experience. So now what I'm going to do is read a bit of documentation, try it a bit, and understand the buttons, how they work, and then I will explain them to you. So give me a second. Alright guys, I have gone through the documentation and have used it for some time and tried out its features. I tried it with this power bank. It only takes 5 watt. So even with a tiny power bank, you can run it for quite a long time without any worries. And I have also become familiar with the controls and what this does. I wasn't able to find any use for this. I tried it, use it. I'm not sure why they are here. Maybe some of you can comment in and tell me that what's the purpose of these, but they did not even mention them in the documentation, so I'm not sure. I know about this one now, how this works, what are these buttons, what are different mods. So but one thing, before I will turn off the studio lights and keep the room lights so that I can show you the gears, and lastly I will also wear it on my face and show you me wearing it and explain different ergonomics. But before that, I really liked something is that this is rotatable. Even when you give it power, it is rotatable, so no matter where the power bank or wire is coming from, you can easily move around and the power will not be lost, like it rotates easily. It's a really nice feature. I mean, you don't need to sit around on a fixed position. If you rotate your head a little bit, the wire will automatically adjust it. So that was really nice touch. There are battery versions of this one available as well. The only difference is that there is a tiny rectangular type battery here that just fixed here, right here, instead of this one. So if you're looking for a battery version, you will also be able to find it, but know that it will increase the weight, and batteries usually have their own limited lifetime. Another thing I want to explain is that as I explained earlier, you do the hot, they say compress, but it is not compressed. It does not do any kind of compression. It is a simple temperature thing. So you can do the hot thing, in which this area, only this area heats up. So this area is not heated, so your skin does not feel the direct heat of the fabric, or the heat only comes from this area, which does not directly touch your eyes. So your eyes only feel the warmth from the heat and not directly. So it has different modes. It can go up to 65 degrees Celsius in its third gear, which is the maximum gear, and at that, if you touch it directly, it may feel a lot of you may feel a lot of heat and feel uncomfortable for your skin. That's why the design is designed in a way that this area does not touch your eyes directly. It remains away from your eyes. Another thing, that when you want to do the cold compress, then as I said, put it in a fridge for some time. It is already cool, so it does not take much time, and then put it here and just wear it, and that's your cold compress. So now we are done. Let me show you the different gears, and lastly I will wear it. Let me turn off the studio lights. This way you guys can see the gears in action. By the way, I really like this design. See, nice touch. All right, do we have, when you connect it, you see this 8, that means it is on. You single press it. This is the first gear. It means 45 degrees Celsius. Second gear, now 55 degrees Celsius. Third gear, 65 degrees Celsius. This is the maximum temperature that you can get with this mask, or heating mask, heating eye mask, right? So 65 degrees Celsius it can go. And the second is the time. You can go 15 minutes, like auto shutdown after 15 minutes, or 30, 60, 90, and then I think 00. I always prefer the 15 minutes timer, so that it automatically shuts itself down after 15 minutes. And these were the controls for it. Their buttons are very clicky. The wire quality is really good, so you don't have to worry about it. And it takes some time, like a minute to heat up. I can start feeling the heat now from this area. So after that, you start feeling the heat. Now let me show it in action by wearing it, because this is of course an eye mask. So how can I leave you without the eye mask? But before I do that, there is one thing that I want to show you, or give you a tease, is that in the upcoming video there is another thing that I will be showing, is the heating pad, but it's a kind of a jacket style heating pad. And because as a software engineer, I sit and type like this, so my shoulders get stiff. So for that, I have ordered this heating pad type jacket. I'm unable to show it in this kind of tiny table, so that's why I will be making a separate video in which I will wear it directly and show it to you. And it has its own controls. It does not have a battery, takes AC power. So I will be showing it to you in the upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. And now I will switch to live view, like I will show you wearing the mask. Hey guys, so this is the final part of our video in which I will be showing the eye mask to you by wearing it directly. Let's see. Just make sure that it is comfortable, and before I do that, let me remind you that they have this ergonomic style foam for it, in which they have designed it so that you can easily breathe in, breathe out, nose is not compressed or anything like that, so it's very ergonomic. It's like that. See, this is how it looks when you are wearing it, and you can adjust it. As you can see, this area is not pressed. I can easily breathe in or breathe out, and my eyes are not directly touching the skin or fabric. There is a gap and I can easily blink or anything like that, so I only feel the heat of the fabric from a bit of distance, which is nice. And then this area does not get hot, or this area, so your nose skin does not burn off. And let me see, where is the cable? You can easily take and even without looking apply the cable like this, and if you move around you can see that the cable adjusts itself automatically. And even if you want to quickly get up and forget about the cable, it should automatically snap like this, so without breaking the cable, just like a MagSafe design on Apple devices. So that's really nice. And then of course you can turn it on or off again. And if you want to do the hot or cold compress, then of course you can put this one inside and do the cold compress. So this was the eye mask, heated eye mask by Care4, and it is without battery, and I will leave the link in the video description. And I hope you guys like the video, and stay tuned for the next heated pad with the jacket that I'm going to do. And I hope you guys like that as well. Having something for normal heating pads are flat, so they does cover your back or your legs, but shoulders are difficult to cover, so you buy different variants for shoulders. But this one actually covers your shoulders up till this, and then full back, and it's more like a jacket style. So it would be nice to share it with you guys, and I will need a bigger space to record it, so I will be recording it in a different video. So let me know about your feedback. Take care and bye.